Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing today? This video is sponsored by 𝐀𝐧𝐝. 𝐀𝐧𝐝 is an amazing video editing application that you can install from Play Store. This application provides a wide variety of filters, making it one of the best applications for transforming raw footages into a blog video. Combine it with some music and you're good to go. Beside filters, it has a great collection of transitions that you can use in your videos to make them look more engaging and attractive. After editing the video, by clicking on the special effects option, you can add different kinds of effects to your video clips. In this way, you can highlight the special parts of the video by applying a special effect to it. By clicking on the picture-in-picture option, you can add an image or a video to your main clip. And then by clicking on the mixed mode option, you can choose one of the blending options. Since my added video has a black background, so to remove the black background from my added video, I will select the screen option from here. Finally, I will zoom and place my added video all over my main video. Now if you look carefully, you can see there is a slight light effect on my video. If you want to download such light leak overlay pack or dust particle overlay pack, then you can search it on YouTube and you will find it there. You can download those and apply them in your videos. This application also has a great collection of musics and sound effects that you can apply on your videos. You can find the music category wise, so it will be much easier for you to find the right music for you. Similarly, these sound effects are of great quality. You can find the right sound effect by swiping across the categories, and then you can directly add them to your main video. Beside all these features, this application has the basic features too, such as adding text and stickers and adding blurred background and all these things. You can find those options in the app. It's very easy to use them. Alright, so these are some features that this application has and I really like them. Now let's talk about some factors that are really important when you make a blog video or in general any kind of YouTube video. First, the music. Do not use the music just because you like it. Try to understand the context of your video and choose a music that suits the context. For example, I personally like hip-hop music, but I cannot blindly use hip-hop music in all my videos. I need to understand what my video is about and then use a music similar to it. Now talking about blog videos, in case of blog videos, you need a really good music, and good musics are not free to use. But if you want free music, then there are some channels, YouTube channels that has some collection of good musics which you can use in your videos, but you need to give them credit in your videos. YouTube channels such as NCS, Breaking Copyright, Audio Library, they have a really great collection of such musics, but again you have to find them because good musics are not free to use, and in order to find out the good musics out of all this collection, you really have to spend time and listen it many times. I personally listen musics every day and I make a collection of the good musics which I like. Try to use a music that has a upbeat in it. Now what is upbeat? A music that starts with a low beat, and as the time increases the beat also increases. This is upbeat music and it works completely fine in case of blog videos. So you can go to YouTube and search for free to use upbeat music for blog videos. Definitely you will find a lot of video in the search result, but believe me, very few of them are actually free to use in YouTube videos. So make sure to check the description properly, understand what the description says. If it says to buy a one-time license, do not use it because they will give you a copyright issue if you do not pay to them. So find a music that is free to use. In the description you will find something like this. You are free to use this music on any platform, but you need to give credit to us. So if something like this is written, then you can understand, yes, this is free to use in platforms such as YouTube with a proper credit. So this was the music part. Now, second important thing is using the sound effects and musics. As I said, this application has a collection of it. But if you want more sound effects, then there are certain websites from where you can download free sound effects and also musics. One such website is mixkit.com, which has a great collection of sound effects. Combine those sound effects with the sound effects of this video and you will really have a great collection of sound effects. Third point is the video. If you are shooting outdoor footages, then you need to color grade them or add a filter to it, which I have already shown in this video. But if you want to use the stock images or stock videos for your YouTube video, then there are certain websites from where you can download free videos and images, such as unsplash.com for images, pexels.com for both images and videos, mixkit.com for videos. Links of all the important things will be given in the description, so make sure to check it out. Alright, so that was all for this video and I really hope you have learned something new from this video. Yeah, one more thing I need to say is the transition. The fourth point is transition. If you are making a blog video or a cinematic video, try to use a simple transition such as fade, or even you can use no transition in case of cinematic or blog videos. But if your blog video has a lot of camera movements in it, such as you are recording any kind of traveling video, or you're showing any kind of bike race or anything that has a motion in it, then you can use the dynamic transitions such as scroll up or scroll down. And if you're making tech videos for YouTube, then do not use a simple transition. Tech videos need something more attracting, so you can use the glitch transition for tech videos. Tech means technology, and glitch transition works fine in such cases. But again, it's your video, it's your choice. There are no fixed rules. You can always experiment with different transition effects and music and try to find out the best combination that works for you. So with that being said, my name is Rishi. This is Android Editing. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, stay safe and keep creating.